When Thanksgiving is coming up tomorrow, we got a free printable of cooking.
Yeah, so if you'd like this free printable, you can DM us or comment for this week's phrase of the day calendar. Now, Darian and I are going to try out one of these cooking phrases, which this is the most important thing to do before you cook, which is...
Wash your hands. Wash your hands in the sink.
Yes, we always want to wash our hands, not in the backyard, not in the toilet, in the sink. Very important. So we're going to try out this phrase in German, and we would love for you to join us. If you already have the $35 book, use German at home or use Spanish at home, what have you, you can find this in the app under We Are in S, and we are in the
Superman.
And we're in the title Sink right here. All right, Darren, you ready to try this phrase?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Bitte,
wasch
deine Hände in der Spüle. Bitte wasch deine Hände in der Spüle.
Bitte wasch deine Hände in der Spüle.
Bitte wasch deine Hände in der Spüle, Mama.
Yes, and often I have my kids go to the bathroom to wash their hands instead of in the kitchen because they're not tall enough.
I am now.
You are now? Oh my goodness. So to start using this phrase before you cook, you can ask your kids to go wash their hands in the sink, and then they can go and wash their hands in the sink. And then you learn it.
Yep.
All right. Happy Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Bye.